everybody, welcome back to 3-Day Weekend. Got Chris here today, and I'm with the red Kodiak 2002 Kodiak 400. And it won't start, and it's making a noise. The heck is that noise? I hope it's the starter and not a one-way bearing or something, but only one way to find out. Let's dig into it. The starter is down in here. Right there. Covered in mud. But the first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the battery so there's no chance of shorting that out. There's the starter. I'm over on the passenger side now. And under there, there's a couple of bolts going down. You can't even really see them. You can kind of see that one poking out of the mud. So I'm going to get a screwdriver and a shop vac and maybe clean that out a little bit. Oh, we have a special guest here helping today. Hi, Pepper. I got the bolts out. I didn't take the lead off the top. I'm thinking I should probably do that next. This is the positive wire coming out. But the whole thing has to go that way. So I'm going to take this power wire off and then just get something to kind of give it a couple hits that direction. See if I can pop it loose. Got it. What do you say we go set it on a bench and hook 12 volts to it? See what it does. Alright, I'm kind of hoping this is going to make a terrible noise. That doesn't sound too awful. Let me grab another one I had sitting on a shelf and see if it makes the same noise. That one sounds different. Let's try the other one more time. Oh yeah. Something's going on with that one. That's a high-pitched whine sound that this one doesn't make. I think maybe it's just a starter. How cool would that be, huh? I have this one laying around from another machine. It was an 02 Grizzly 660 from years ago. And oh, a bug just came out of it. That's cool. And I think it's the same. The part number is extremely similar. I'm gonna just double count teeth here, but the mounting holes are the same. Yep. I don't see any obvious differences. Same number of teeth. I'm gonna go plop this one in there. See what happens. I cannot even express to you how much of a pain it is to work on that in there. It's so deep. But I've reconnected the battery, connected the positive terminal. Where is it? There. I put one bolt in it. The other one's not in yet. I figured that'll be enough. I can touch the starter and see if it's still doing what it does. Okay, plug your ears. Hey, good news, it was the starter. Yay! Whew! What a relief. Alright, I'm gonna put the other bolt back in. I have bad news. First off, don't fool around trying to change that starter without just taking the gas tank off and everything. So much easier. Airbox, gas tank, you can get to the bolts. Bad news is I was just testing it and turning it over just to make sure everything was good. I'm gonna hit the start button. Hear that noise? It's definitely It's definitely slipping on that one-way bearing, so I think I got a bad one-way. I'll be tearing apart the engine next. Terrific. Well, I'm going to cut it off right there for today. Obviously, we have some more work to do and some parts to get and everything to get that thing starting properly again. So meet me back right here a week from now, and we'll keep working on this thing. I'll also make a playlist posted on the end card so you can see all the videos of the 2002 Kodiak as I try to figure out why this thing isn't starting. But in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every viewer and every subscriber, and I hope to see you back again for another video right here on 3 Day Weekend.